The loop band squat is an exercise for training the gluteus medius and gluteus maximus muscles in your hips and butt, as well as your hamstrings and quadriceps in your thighs. This is a great exercise to prime your muscles before doing any heavy lifting like squats or deadlifts. For this exercise, you'll need a loop resistance band or mini band. First, wrap the band around your legs just below the knees. Then stand with a tall posture with your feet hip-width apart. Begin by pushing your hips back and bending your knees to lower your body down into a squat while keeping your back straight. Then press your heels and the balls of your feet into the floor. Engage your glutes and quadriceps to return back to the starting position with your hips right under your shoulders. As you perform this exercise, make sure that your hips are going back and that your knees aren't going too far past your toes at the bottom of the position. One time down and back up is 1 repetition. Continue for the recommended number of repetitions in your training program. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more trainer tips and exercise tutorials.